there. Okay, we're going to be reviewing elements of drama for tomorrow's test. So today we are going to be going over the different parts of a drama. We're going to be talking about what is a drama. We're going to be going over characters, setting, and dialogue. Those are the only things we're covering today. All right. Drama. Drama is also known as a play. It's a story that can be acted out in front of people or an audience. So what I have been doing, I have been getting some scripts, and I have been acting out the different characters in these plays. So for example, let's think back to The Veggie Thief. I was pretending to be the skunk. I'm sorry, I was acting like I was the skunk and the rabbit, right? So The Veggie Thief is a story that I had little sticks and I was acting it out in front of you, my audience. Okay, so a drama is also known as a play. Play, drama, drama, play. And it's a story that can be acted out. Acted meaning someone's pretending to be a character. They're pretending to be a character and acting out the story in front of other people, their audience. So you've been my audience whenever I've been doing these little dramas, these little plays. All right, let's now talk about characters. Characters are the people or the animals or the things in the play, right? Yeah, so we know about characters. Characters, it means the same thing in a play as it does in a book. It is who is in the story. All right, and let's go over setting. Setting/scenery means the same thing. Setting is where the story takes place and when it takes place. So for example, if I were to see this image, I would think, hey, this story is taking place at a castle during the daytime. This story, this play is being taken place at a castle during the day. Why? Here's a castle, and it doesn't look like it's nighttime. It looks like it's daytime. So setting, where and when the story takes place. Okay? We've gone over setting a couple of times. So remember, setting. Where? I'm at school. When? Daytime. Okay? Setting. All right, the last thing I would like to review is dialogue. Go ahead and say the word dialogue. Excellent. Dialogue is what the actors say in the drama or play. So, if you have two characters, let's pretend we have this. Let me go get my sticks. All right, so I have Rabbit and Skunk. Now, if Rabbit is telling Skunk, hey, Skunk, I really like all those vegetables you made, and Skunk says, well, thank you. This is dialogue, right? Dialogue is what the actors or characters, right? The characters are saying to each other. It's their conversation that they are having. Dialogue is a conversation. It's what they say to each other. Okay? All right, that was just a little review over elements of drama. So remember, drama is also known as a play. Characters are the people or animals or things in the play. Setting is where and when the story is being taken place. And dialogue is the conversation the characters are having with one another, right? All right.